What are stocks? Monkey dreams of starting a big banana business, but Monkey has no money. So, Monkey thinks hard. Robbing a bank sounds fast, but it fails. Bad idea. Instead, Monkey goes to rich monkeys and asks them for money to start the banana business. In return, those rich monkeys get a small piece of the company. That piece is called a stock. By buying banana stock, rich monkeys become part owners of the banana company. With this money, Monkey must stay smart, no fancy Lamborghini. Instead, Monkey uses the money to plant more banana trees, grow the business, and make more profit. When the business makes money, Monkey investors also get a share of it. These are called dividends. Everyone's happy and eating bananas. Stocks versus shares. Monkey sometimes says stocks and shares like they mean the same thing. It's like saying trash and garbage, similar but not exactly the same. A stock is the whole banana tree, while shares are the bananas growing on it. The more shares a monkey owns, the bigger the piece of the business they control. Types of stocks. Not all stocks are equal. Just like monkeys. Big, old monkey companies are safer and grow slowly. These are blue-chip stocks. Smaller monkey startups grow faster, but are risky. Monkeys call these penny stocks the stock market. This is the big jungle where monkeys buy and sell pieces of companies. When stock prices rise, it's called a bull market. Happy monkeys everywhere. When prices fall, it's a bear market. Sad, growling monkeys. Monkeys love bulls, not bears. Funds. Sometimes monkeys gather many stocks together to stay warm and safe. This group is called a fund. For example, the Monkey S&P 500 includes 500 of the biggest monkey companies in the jungle. Any monkey can invest in this fund and own tiny pieces of all those companies. It's safer because even if one company fails, others keep things balanced, unless, of course, politician monkeys cause trouble. Hedge funds. These are special collections of stocks that can bring big profits, but also big risks. Only rich and experienced monkeys can join hedge funds. When the stocks inside grow in value, the whole hedge fund grows too. Why prices change? Banana stock prices go up and down all the time. If monkeys want more bananas, price goes up. If the banana business grows, price goes up. If monkeys eat all the bananas, price goes down. Even news or rumors, like monkeys inventing banana robots, can change stock prices. And remember, little monkeys, this video is not financial advice. Monkey just explain. Please don't sue Monkey.